This one's a lot easier than it looks like. Work from the outside in. We can say, okay, what is this saying? Well, it's saying 2 to the power of this is equal to this, whatever's in this bracket. Let's just pretend that wasn't there. Just pretend that said, instead of this, x. That just said log x. The solution would be 2 to the minus 1 is equal to x. And 2 to the minus 1 is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. And now x is equal to this. Well, all this is saying is 4 to the half is equal to x now. That's all it's saying. 4 to the half is equal to this stuff. Well, this is, when it's top, it's the power. When it's the bottom, it's a root. Square root of 4, 2. Well, this is saying 9 to the power of 2 is equal to this stuff. 9 to the power of 2 is 81. To solve this square, I have to square root both sides. The answer is plus 9 or minus 9. We have to exclude the minus 9 later, which means x plus 11, after I get rid of this square, x plus 11 is equal to 9, or x plus 11 is equal to minus 9, which means up here x is equal to minus 2, or down here x is equal to 2. That will give me the correct answer. Interesting. And then when we go back to the equation, we'll learn that one works and one doesn't. Oh, wait, sorry. X plus 11 is equal to minus 9 is not that. So either x plus 11 is equal to 2, or x plus 11, sorry, is equal to 9, or x plus 11 is equal to minus 9. When I subtract 11 from this side, it becomes minus 2. When I subtract 11 from this side, it becomes minus 20. There we go. So that's important, because minus 20 plus 11 becomes minus 9. Now, the reason we can exclude minus 20 is if I put minus 20 in there and I add 11, I get a total of minus 9. Minus 9 squared works, 81. So it's probably both solutions. So x can be equal to that, to that. To figure out if that's both work, we have to go back and substitute. Let's look at minus 2 first in the bracket. Minus 2 plus 11 becomes 9. 9 squared becomes 81. What do I put over 9 as an exponent to get 81? 2. What do I put over 4 to get 2? A half. So now I'm left with log 2 is equal to a half. What do I put over 2 to get a half? Minus 1. So minus 2 works. Now we're going to do minus 11. Sorry, it's not minus 11. Minus 21. I didn't know it was minus 20. Yeah, minus 20. Well, if I put minus 20 in there plus 11, I get minus 9. Minus 9 squared is 81. Now we're back to the same thing we had. 9 squared will make 81, so the answer to this is 2. 4 to the half makes 2. 2 to the power of minus 1 makes a half. That means both these answers are valid. X is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to minus 20. The reason you can put a minus here is because this log isn't necessarily applying to that. You can square it first.